Hello, curious fellows. Welcome to the Story to Learn. Get ready for a spooky adventure into the forest to uncover a mysterious creature. Shh! Did you hear that? Something's moving in the woods. Something big with giant feet. Remember in our first video, when we met Ella the elephant, we told you we'd be exploring not just real animals, but also mystery creatures from around the world? Well, today's the day. Some say it's just a myth. Others, they swear they saw it with their own eyes. We're heading deep into the forest to investigate the mystery of Bigfoot. Bigfoot, also known as Sasquatch, is a legendary creature said to live in forests across North America. It's described as huge and hairy, standing 7 to 10 feet tall with giant footprints, sometimes over 20 inches long. Bigfoot is said to walk on 2 legs like a human, but with the strength of a bear and the eyes of something watching. But where has Bigfoot been seen? Most sightings happen in the Pacific Northwest. Places like Washington, Oregon, and British Columbia. But sightings have been reported all over the US, from deep forests to snowy mountains, even swamps. Some hikers say they've heard loud, howling screams, found massive footprints, or seen something just beyond the trees, tall, dark, and watching. With long arms, huge feet, and eyes that glow red in the dark. But no one has ever gotten a clear photo, only blurry pictures or shaky videos. Is Bigfoot just really shy, or is that part of the mystery? Over the years, people have found things they believe are signs of Bigfoot. Giant footprints in the mud or snow. Broken tree branches far too high for a person to reach. Unusual howls and growls recorded at night. Even strands of hair that didn't match any known animal. Scientists have tested the evidence, but so far, nothing has proven Bigfoot is real or fake. One of the most famous sightings happened in 1967 in California. 2 men were riding horses through the forest when they saw a creature walking upright across a creek. They caught it on film, but the footage is still debated today. Was it a real Bigfoot, or just someone in a costume? No one knows for sure. Some scientists say Bigfoot could be a type of unknown ape, or a distant cousin of Gigantopithecus, a giant ape that lived thousands of years ago in Asia and could grow up to 10 feet tall. Others believe the sightings are just tricks of the eye, or stories that got bigger each time they were told. But if Bigfoot isn't real, why do people still see it today? Some campers say they've seen a figure watching from the trees. Others hear something crashing through the forest, only to find nothing there. Could Bigfoot be hiding right now? Bigfoot might be one of Earth's greatest mysteries. Maybe it's real, maybe it's not. But one thing's for sure, it's fun to imagine. Do you believe in Bigfoot? Would you ever go on a Bigfoot hunt? Tell us in the comments. And make sure to bring a flashlight. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and watch where you step. You never know what's out there. Here's something important. Bigfoot is not considered a real animal by science. There's no official species, no bones, and no confirmed DNA. Scientists call Bigfoot a cryptid, a creature people talk about, but that hasn't been proven to exist. That's what makes it such a mystery. A creature people talk about, but that hasn't been proven to exist. That's what makes it such a mystery. Hello, curious fellows. Welcome to the Story to Learn. Get ready, dino fans. Today we're traveling back, way back, to a time before humans, before cities, before even the Ice Age. Welcome to the Age of Dinosaurs. So, what are dinosaurs? Dinos weren't just big lizards. Dinosaurs were a group of reptiles that lived millions of years ago. Some were huge. Some were tiny. Some walked on 2 legs, others on 4. And many had wild features like horns, spikes, or even feathers. Dinosaurs ruled the Earth during the Mesozoic era, a time that began over 245 million years ago and lasted for more than 180 million years. This time was split into 3 parts: the Triassic, the Jurassic, and the Cretaceous periods. Different dinosaurs lived during different times, just like how your grandparents and great-grandparents grew up in different decades. Let's meet some of the most famous dinosaurs. Tyrannosaurus rex, T-Rex, was a giant meat-eater, about 40 feet long and with teeth as long as bananas. But guess what? Its arms were super short, only about the size of a child's. Triceratops. This plant-eater had 3 horns and a huge bony frill on its head. Triceratops used its horns for defense. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus looked like a walking fortress, with its huge spiked tail and plates on its back. Velociraptor. You've seen it in movies, but the real Velociraptor was only about the size of a turkey and had feathers. They were fast and sneaky. Have you ever wondered what happened to dinosaurs? About 66 million years ago, something big happened. Really big. A giant asteroid hit Earth. Causing fires, darkness, and climate changes. Most dinosaurs couldn't survive. Scientists believe that some small feathered dinosaurs evolved into birds. But how do we know about dinosaurs? Thanks to fossils, we've learned a ton about dinosaurs. Fossils are the bones, footprints, and even poop, called coprolites, left behind from the past. Paleontologists are the scientists who dig them up and study them. Dinosaurs may be gone, but their story lives on through fossils, books, and your imagination. Hello, curious fellows. Welcome to the Story to Learn. Today, we're diving deep into the sea to discover one of the coolest animals in the ocean, the shark. These amazing creatures come in all shapes and sizes, and you're about to learn some jawsome facts. Sharks are fish, but they're not like the little goldfish you see in a tank. Sharks are a special kind of fish with skeletons made of cartilage. That's what makes them super flexible and fast in the water. Most sharks have a long body, a fin on their back, and rows of super sharp teeth. In fact, sharks can have up to 30,000 teeth in their lifetime. That's because their teeth keep falling out and new ones grow in all the time. Sharks live in oceans all around the world, some in warm water, some in cold water, some deep down and some near the coast. There are even a few types of sharks that can live in rivers. Did you know there are over 500 different types of sharks? From the tiny dwarf lantern shark to the whale shark, the biggest fish in the ocean. Have you ever thought, what do sharks eat? Most sharks are carnivores, which means they eat meat. Some eat fish, squid, or even other sharks. But don't worry, not all sharks are scary. Whale sharks eat teeny tiny plankton. Hammerhead sharks love stingrays. Great white sharks are known for their powerful bite, but they don't hunt humans on purpose. Sharks are amazing hunters. They have super strong senses, especially smell. They have eyes that can see well in dark water. Some sharks can even smell a single drop of blood in the ocean from miles away. Whoa! Do you know, every year humans catch millions of sharks for their fins or by accident. Many shark species are now endangered, which means they need our help. We may not see sharks every day, but they play a huge role in our planet's ecosystem. By learning about them, we can help protect them. Hello, curious fellows. Welcome to the Story to Learn. Today, we are going to learn about the pandas. So let's climb into the misty mountains of China to meet Po the Panda. Po's black and white coat makes him easy to spot. But for centuries, pandas were a secret known only in Asia. Now the whole world loves them. Guess what? Even though pandas can eat meat, 99% of their diet is bamboo. They spend most of the day collecting and eating it. And look, baby pandas called cubs are some of the cutest creatures ever. But pandas are shy. They prefer being alone, which is why they're called solitary animals. Here comes the most shocking fact. A group of pandas is called an embarrassment. That's not fair, is it? Some people prefer calling it a bamboo of pandas, and we think that's way nicer. Pandas sleep around 10 hours a day, just like you might, and they need all that rest for climbing trees, munching bamboo, and being adorable. Pandas were once endangered, but thanks to people who protected them, their numbers are growing. Now, they're a threatened species, still in danger, but on a better path. Hello, curious fellows. Welcome to the new series of Story to Learn. Today, we're going on an amazing journey to meet some of the coolest animals on Earth. From giant elephants to sleepy sloths, playful pandas, powerful gorillas, icy polar bears, and stealthy jaguars. This is going to be one wild ride. Oh, and guess what? We've got a few mystery animals too. But You'll have to stay with us till the end to find out who they are. Buckle up, it's animal time. Let's begin our journey with the mighty elephant. Meet Ella, a young African elephant with big dreams and an even bigger heart. As she strolls through the grasslands, her giant ears flap gently in the breeze. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. Ella's kind can grow up to 13 feet tall and weigh as much as 14,000 pounds, more than 2 pickup trucks. That long trunk? It's a super tool. Elephants use it to eat, drink, smell, breathe, even give themselves dust baths. Ella loves rolling in the dust, not to get dirty, but to keep her skin safe from bugs. And did you know a group of elephants is called a parade? How cute is that? Especially when you spot baby elephants or calves marching right along. Elephants also have the biggest brains of any land animal, up to 13 pounds. That's why they're known for their amazing memory. They can remember paths, people, and even emotions. So, next time you wish you had a better memory, think like Ella the elephant. And that's just the beginning of our wild adventure. There are so many more amazing animals waiting to meet you, each with their own story, fun facts, and a little surprise too. So if you loved Ella the elephant and want to discover what animal comes next, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a magical moment. Tell us in the comments, which animal do you want to meet next? And hey, want more fun and learning? Visit StoryToLearn.com for free activity sheets, bedtime stories, and cool surprises. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok for more fun behind the scenes. Stay curious, stay kind, and we'll see you in the next animal adventure. Bye for now from Story to Learn.